Now that we introduced indexing, we are interested in slicing in Python. Slicing in Python refers to extracting a portion of a sequence. The basic syntax for slicing is the sequence, open, close, bracket, start, colon, and stop. Start is the index of the beginning of the slice, and stop is the index at the end of the slice, and it's not included. Let's go back to the string. My string is hello world, exclamation mark. We talked about the index and reverse index. Now, suppose I ask you to run the following code. My string, open, close bracket, 1, which is the start, colon, and 4, which is the stop. What will be the result? It's going to just take E, L, and L, and this is the output of your code. As you can see, 4 index, which represents O, is not included. Let's take a look at another example. Here we have my string, open, close, square bracket, 1, colon, 5. So it basically takes E, L, L, O, and it stops. Another one for you. My string, open, close bracket, 1, colon, 6. As you guessed, it's going to start at character E, then L, another L, O, and then you have the space. So it's going to include space for you as well. Let us summarize. So my string, open, close bracket, 1, colon, 4, gives you 3 characters. My string, open, close bracket, 1, colon, 5, gives you 4 characters, and my string, open, close, square bracket, 1, colon, 6, gives you 5 character back. So if you subtract 4 and 1, it gives you 3 characters, 5 and 1, 4 characters, 6 and 1, it gives you 5 characters. So another interesting syntax is the slicing that includes start and you don't see any stop. The colon indicates that you're performing a slice. If you don't specify a value after the colon, it means that you want everything be included. For example, let's go back to my string, hello world, exclamation mark. And then if I ask you to perform the following code and run the cell, my string, open, close, bracket, 1, colon, and as you can see, the stop is empty. If you run the cell, it gives you everything from E to the end of the string. Now, take a look at this line of code. My string, open, close bracket, 5, colon, and nothing is at the stop. So if you run the cell, it starts with the space and then world, exclamation mark. And in general, when we are representing syntax for slicing, it usually includes the increment as well. So you have the sequence, open, close, square bracket, the start, the stop, and the step. The step indicates how many elements to skip between the ones included in the slice. For example, consider the following string. S is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. And I ask you to run the following line of code. The variable name, which is S, open, close bracket, colon, colon, and 2. As you can see, the output value is A. It doesn't have any B. It jumps to C. It doesn't have any D. It skips D. Then you have E. It skips F, then G, then it skips H, I, skips J, and then K. Suppose I ask you to run the following line of code. Now it says, hey, the increment is 3. So you start from A, you skip B and C, and then D, E, and F are skipped, and then G, H and I are skipped, and J, and it skips the last character as well. And finally, suppose I ask you to run the following line of code. The variable name S, open close bracket, and it says, hey, the increment is 4. So what does it do? It skips B, C, D, jumps into E, and then skips F, H, and G, and you have I, and skips the rest of the characters as well.